everybody. Today, let us see my interesting 3 hours quiz. So, you have to test your knowledge of recycling on this earth with an interesting quiz and MadLibs game. So let's start. It is on Earth Day. It's on April 22. So, let's have the project summary. The idea of the project is to have an informative recycling quiz and get aware of Earth's Day on 22nd April and to practice the 3 hours. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Also, with an interactive MadLib game fun. The project has 2 parts, a recycling quiz and a MadLibs game. There are 8 recycling questions where the user will select from the 4 options. Only one is correct from the options. The interactive MadLibs game is a fun game where the user chooses their words from different categories to create a short story with interesting recycling message green related on the green stuff and on the earth related to. So the code imports the random library to generate random outcomes and the Colorama coloring library to provide the colorful output text for the quiz answers. There is functions with the whole quiz. And the run quiz means that it will run the quiz. And there are 8 questions and a game. Runs the MadLibs game that prompts the user to choose words from different categories to create a short story. We use loops like 8 times to repeat and the condition to check the answers. Correct or no? Not correct and incorrect. To check the answers and going over all the questions. Using inputs and print statements to get inputs from the user, and we'll see the input and output. So I'm going to show you the quiz now. First, I'll tell you about my future projects that I wish to make. I'll use Teachable Machine that I've learned recently, the Teachable Machine AI model. I'll train the model to identify recyclable and non-recyclable items and I'll add it to the quiz. So I'll show you the quiz now. Oh, this is my quiz. Recycle with MadLib. So let's see the quiz. So we'll check your knowledge. So what is the meaning of the 3 R's? The meaning of the 3 R's is reduce, reuse, recycle. Enter. Correct. I'll show you which color will it be when it's wrong. So which item cannot be recycled? Let's just say plastic bags. Enter. Incorrect. What is e-waste? Electronic waste. So B. Enter. What is the process of turning waste into new products called? Composting. It's called composting. Enter. Incorrect. It's actually called recycling. So, which item is considered as toxic waste? Used batteries. Now, what is the best way to save water? Taking all of the above. Taking shorter showers, fixing leaky faucets, and using less running water. So, it's all of the above. So, D. Enter. Which of the following items can be composted? Thinking. Idea. Leftover food. A. Now, which of the following is renewable energy source? It is solar. Congratulations, you have completed the recycling quiz. Hope you had fun and learned something new. So if you say no, I'll show you what it'll say. No. Then, no worries. Wish you a very happy Earth Day and keep the planet Earth clean and green and spread the word to practice the 3 hours. And if you say yes, then I'll give you the options for the MadLibs game. I'll show you. So where's the These are the options. Environment. These are the options. Okay, I'll show you the code to use. So, this is the overview of the code. Import random from Colorama. It will import the font style also, and the recycling quiz questions and answers. What is the meaning of the 3 R's? This is the list of questions. It'll be all the questions, all the 8 questions, and the answers, and I'll hold the answers also too. There'll be, and the options are also there, and these are the ways, and these are the option that will be written. Then this will be the function to run the quiz, and these are the options for the Madlib quiz. Then otherwise it will show. So if it's not the correct answer, it'll say invalid option, not in the option. So we'll do like this. So if it's not in the options, then it'll show please choose a word from the options. Then same for the others. Finally, it will run the whole quiz, and if it's correct, then green, and if incorrect, then red. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more videos. Bye.